How to watch ESPN2 on YouTube TV. Hello everybody. In order to do so, you may follow up these simple steps. So for that, you need to open up YouTube TV in any of your devices. For example, this device right here, and log in into your account of YouTube TV. Once you are logged in, you should be finding this interface. Now from the given interface, all you gotta do is locate up the search bar, which is at the top right corner right beside the shopping cart option. Go ahead and tap on it. After clicking on it, you will be getting a search bar. Now in the search bar, just go ahead and type in ESPN. And once you type in ESPN, you should be finding the results. Look for the one that you're looking for. Just go ahead and tap on it. And once tapped on it, you will be getting a pop-up on your screen. You may just scroll down from the pop-up. And once you scroll down here, it will show you, provide you with every details like from which time it will be streamed. So just go ahead and look out for the one that you're looking for, and you can watch it from there. So that is it for now. You may follow this method in order to watch ESPN2 on YouTube TV. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials, and we'll see you on the next one.